I'm a very creative person. I also love knowing that my lyrics have touched people and helped people through hard times. I'm Sarah DeWarren, and this is my 7, 8, 9, 10 Everything EDM Vocals pack and tutorial. If you're a producer and you're going into sessions with vocalists, they will expect you to be able to run the session. Being a good engineer will also enable the vocalist to have a better performance, and everyone will be happy at the end of the day, and you'll all leave with an amazing sounding demo. If you're a vocalist, it's becoming more and more important to be able to work with your own vocals. It also gives you the power to have control over how you like your own vocals to sound. This tutorial will guide you through the process of recording a great vocal, editing it to a high standard, and then exporting stems for your producer or engineer to mix into a record.